Here's the conversion on a Swan rig. This, I think, is posted for the 700CX Swan transceiver. And I'm trying to convert this thing from 8950 finals, which are 12-volt heaters, in parallel to the 6LF6 finals, which are heaters in series. So he talks about moving this wire, supply wire to here. And anyway, I'll do it for you visually on the real radio. So on the real radio here, there is a ground wire which I've clipped, which he notes. And that ground wire is, I'm orienting myself here to how this goes. Okay, the ground wire was right here. And there's the ground wire. So I simply clipped this ground wire and just kind of rolled it over, as I may want to convert this back someday. And here's the supply line that is supplying 12 volts. So this wire was attached here. It said simply move it over to here. So that's where I'm going to put it, right there. And then the way this works is the power comes in through here, lights up this tube, goes out, comes into here, and then gets grounded off. So that's how these two work in series, okay? So hopefully that has helped someone with this conversion. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day.